Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and this is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2, the latest version of the Bullets Wireless from OnePlus, and it comes with much improved features over the Bullets Wireless 1. The most major improvement I feel is the playback time. This one comes with up to 14 hours of playback time, which is huge in my opinion. It also supports Aptx HD protocol. It also supports Bluetooth 5. It supports quick switching between two devices. It has 10 millimeters drivers, so it is quite premium, and in fact they give you experience that you would get from probably much more expensive Bluetooth headsets that you get with these. So this is how the packaging is. The front and back of the box opens up like this, and then you get this red color box inside, and here is a plastic seal which opens like this, and here is the user guide. The packaging has also gotten very premium compared to the first generation Bullets Wireless that I have used, and this is a proper leaflet that tells you what is where. Interesting. We have these two leaflets. We'll keep these to the side. Let's dig into the box, and here we have this rubber pouch and this transparent sort of case which has extra ear tips. So you have the small and the large here, and the medium ones are already installed. The shape of the earphones have changed compared to the first generation, and they are now more ergonomic and designed slightly differently. Earlier they used to have the rubber wings, but now it has built-in curves. Let me take this out of the plastic. This carry case is more or less the same that we have seen on the Bullets Wireless 1, and this time, because they have larger battery, the thickness of this module that is there around your neck is somewhat more compared to the first generation that I have used. They feel slightly heftier when it comes to the neck band, but I don't mind. It gives you 14 hours of playback, and it comes with walk charge or the fast charge support. What that means is that if you charge it when it is completely drained out, you just charge it for 10 minutes, and with the fast charge it gives you up to 10 hours of playback time, audio playback time. And if you charge it completely, it will give you 14 hours of playback time. This is magnetic, so as soon as you are done listening, you just leave it around your neck and it will connect magnetically and it will not fall off. Plus, when you stick it together, it pauses the music. When you release it and put it back in your ear, it starts to play the music. This function happens with the OnePlus phone seamlessly. It gives you quick pairing with the OnePlus phones, and there is a quick switch button here. So this round button that you see here, if you press it twice, you can pair it with two devices at once. One may be your laptop or a tablet, other may be your phone. So you can quickly switch to the other device, watch movie or see videos, and then come back to the phone by a double tap of this button. And this button, this remote here, houses the microphone, the volume control remote, and there is this button to accept call, reject call, and launching the Google Assistant. So this is how it looks. Let me quickly have some music experience on this and come back with my impressions of the audio quality of the Bullets Wireless 2. I just tested these earphones with the OnePlus 7 Pro that I have been testing, and they are really good to sound. The bass is good and punchy, but the mid-tones are also quite balanced. At around 50% loudness, they sound almost appropriate, and higher than that may feel slightly uncomfortable. But the bottom line is that they get really loud. These 10mm drivers are very powerful. So I'm used to hearing the OnePlus Bullets earphones, which were the version 1, the Bullets Wireless, at around 80 to 90% of the volume most of the times, but this one feels almost as loud at only the 50% volume levels. So these are definitely louder The noise insulation is quite good, and the fit in the ear is very good and very comfortable. I have put on the smaller one, the smaller tips, just for my ear canal size. These fit better and they feel quite comfortable and snug. I can even go jogging with these and they would not fall out. It is a good fit and still a comfortable fit. This curve that you see here fits inside your ear canal quite nicely and grips it quite well. And the band around the neck is also quite comfortable. The remote control works perfectly fine. One difference that I have noticed is that the first generation had the mic hole on this part, on the neck band. So when you are making a phone call, the neck band, if moves or it stays near your collarbone, the voice is not very well communicated. But in this case, it has moved to the remote. The mic hole has moved to the remote, which makes the difference because this one is more closer to your chin, and as a matter of fact, it's closer to your face. So the voice to the other party would be clearer with the OnePlus Wireless 2 compared to the Bullets Wireless 1. So this is a definite improvement. Yes, the price has gone up by around 2000 rupees, but the features have improved considerably. The sound quality as well as the loudness has also gone up. So in my opinion, for 6,000 bucks, this is definitely bang for your buck. But if you're looking for something cheaper, you can also settle for something less. But if you don't want to settle or never settle, as the OnePlus says, this is probably the best bang for your buck at 6,000 rupees. So I definitely recommend these. I'll leave you the Best Buy links in the description section if you want to pick up one for yourself. I personally really like them. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button. Stay subscribed for more. Press the bell icon for latest video updates. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.